Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I post videos related to beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to push that post notification bell so that you know every single time I upload a brand new video. Today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup look from the dollar store. I went to the dollar store and I actually had no intention of buying new makeup because I already have way too much already, but I saw all these products that they had and I had to buy them. And I thought, what would be better than to do a dollar store makeup look? I already have a lot of products that I buy from the dollar store to do makeup looks with. No matter what you do, you can be beautiful, whether you use makeup from the dollar store, from the drugstore, or from places like Sephora and Ulta. I have makeup from all of those places, but I want to show an affordable way to do a makeup look straight from the dollar store. I also really like to do challenges like this because it challenges me to only use products from the dollar store. When I do my makeup routine, I use products from so many different places, which I'm sure most people do, but in this video, I'm only going to use products from the dollar store. Let's get started. The first product I'm going to use is this Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. And I like to put this on my lips before I start my makeup so that my lips have time to get moisturized and just let all that moisture soak in while I'm doing the rest of my makeup routine. The next product I am going to use is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in Buff Beige. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the color looks like. And it's this awesome stick, and I can't wait. I'm actually using this for the first time today. What I really like about foundation sticks like this is you can literally use it as both foundation and concealer. So it's kind of a one and done. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it all in. Now that my foundation is all blended in, I am going to use this eyebrow pencil. Once again, it's from Wet n Wild and it's called the Color Icon Brow Pencil. And it is in, I think the box said what color it was called, but I don't think it's on here, but this is what it looks like. The cool thing about this eyebrow pencil is one side has a little brush to brush your eyebrows out, and then the other side has the pen. I used to use eyebrow pens, but I stopped. But now I remember why I liked them so much. It just feels so precise. What I decide to use to do my eyebrows with, I always like to go back. I just use my fingers and I kind of brush up a little bit because I don't want there to be any harsh lines. I want them to look as natural as possible. Yeah, and that's pretty much what I do. The next thing I'm going to do is, I wasn't unfortunately able to find eyeliner at my Dollar Tree, and they also were out of eyeshadow. It seemed like a lot of people went there and they were just out of stock and just hadn't had time to refill things. I am actually going to continue to use this eyebrow pencil, and I'm actually going to use this brown color just to do eyeliner. I'm just gonna stay on my waterline and do the bottom, and then I'm gonna kind of brush it out on my top lid right to the corner of my eye. This eyeliner is very subtle, but I actually really like the subtle look. The next product I'm going to use is this Wet n Wild Mega Lens Mascara, and it's purple. And I actually didn't buy this when I went to the Dollar Tree. Guilty. I already have this Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner, and it is in the color called Got the Juice. So cute. And this is what it looks like. I was so excited when I saw this. Now it's definitely a darker color. I have used it, but I am going to stay very light when I use it around my lips because I really don't have any other lip colors that match it. So I'm gonna make it light so that I can blend it with the lip color that I purchased from the dollar store. This berry color, it is so pretty. And what I just did was I just kind of took it and blended it into my lips. It's just such a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. And I don't know why, like obviously you could wear this anytime, but I just feel like this is such a good spring color. I can't wait for spring. I just can't wait. The next product I'm going to use is this Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. It's in cursive, so I was having a little bit of trouble figuring out what letter it was, but it's catsuit because the girl on it is wearing a cat suit. Yeah, it is in the shade Cedar Later. I love these names so much. And this is what it looks like. And it is so pretty. Like, when I saw this, I thought it was the perfect mixture of like a nude and a berry color. And I feel like it just like goes so nicely with this lip liner. I know I said I didn't really have any colors that went well, but I thought that these went really cute together, like I could make it work. And so that's what I did. And so something that's kind of unique that I'm going to do is, like I mentioned, they didn't have any eyeliner at my Dollar Tree when I went. They didn't have any blush, eyeshadow, bronzer. Like I said, I think they were just trying to stock things and they just were overwhelmed, which I completely understand. So they didn't have those things. But something that I like to do, and I learned this from YouTube, is a lot of times people will use beauty products to use as a multi-purpose product. So like you can use lipsticks as blushes, you can use eyeliners and eye pencils to do your eyebrows and your eyes. You can use eyeshadow as eyeliner. Like there's so many different things you can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the lip liner, because it's like such this pretty berry color and I feel like it would look so pretty to use as a blush, but just a little bit. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it and I'm just gonna put that much on my cheek. And I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, looks really crazy right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers and rub it. And look how pretty that is. Like, look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And that is why I love makeup, because you can do so many different things. You can be so creative. And then like I'm gonna take the excess and like wipe my nose a little bit, because actually I actually want a little more. I'm gonna put a little bit on my nose. I think this is like a trend, because it kind of like makes you look sun-kissed, like almost like you have a sunburn, but like not really. I feel like it just makes it more natural. It gives that color to your face that you need, especially like after you've used foundation and it's kind of made everything one color. Now what I'm going to do, another odd thing, is I really like to use bronzer, but I don't have bronzer. So we're going to use this lipstick that we used, and we're just gonna put, this one is like, because it's so liquidy, like such a little dot, like places where I would do bronzer. So like I'm gonna put like a little bit there, a little bit there. You could see it, but like my face is glowing after just putting those lip products on my face. Okay, the last final finishing touch. I got this from the Dollar Tree, which was crazy. It's this hard candy sheer envy setting spray. Illuminating Radiant Pearls with coconut oil, glow plus 12-hour wear hydration. I couldn't believe I saw this, and it's like full size. And I really like hard candy products too. That's what I noticed. So when you go to Dollar Tree, you'll find a lot of the Wet n Wild products, you'll find hard candy products, you'll find e.l.f. Eyes, Lips, Face products. But honestly, you never know what you're gonna find, which is so much fun. I'm gonna spray this on my face. Get ready for me making a really funny face. That's it. It's me the face. Oh my gosh, that smells like the Urban Decay setting spray. That's crazy. It smells exactly the same. And look, my face is glowing. That was so much fun. So I'm gonna take my little clippies out. I'm gonna show you the final look. And this is the final look using only products from the dollar store. It is so pretty. I love it so much, and I can't wait to show off my look tonight as I go hang out with some of my friends. So this is the final look. It came out so good. I am so happy with it. I just wanted to end this video by saying you can go to places like the dollar store and buy affordable products. I recommend going to your Dollar Tree or checking out lots of Dollar Trees in your area or dollar stores. They tend to have some of the same makeup products there, but they also bring in a lot of different products. I go there all the time. It's kind of like a scavenger hunt, and I get so excited to see what I can find. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to push that post notification bell so that you know every single time I upload a brand new video. Comment down below some of the amazing finds that you found at the dollar store. Or comment what you plan on going to the dollar store and looking for when you are getting some makeup. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to see you all again soon. Bye!